My name is Lena. I am 21 years old. That morning, I was angry. I was angry with my parents. I was angry with my life. My father said, "Study hard. Finish your college." I shouted, "I am tired of this life." I took my bag and left the house. I felt free. I thought freedom meant happiness. I went to the city. The city was big and loud. At first, everything felt exciting. No rules, no parents, no pressure. But after some days, life changed. Money finished fast. Food became expensive. Rent was hard to pay. I found a job at a small cafe. I worked all day. My feet hurt. My hands shook. At night, I felt empty. No one waited for me. No one asked, "Are you okay?" One night, I sat alone and cried. I remembered my mother's voice. I remembered my father's tired eyes. I asked myself, is this freedom? The next morning, I went home. I stood in front of the same door. My hands were shaking. I knocked. The door opened. My mother hugged me. She did not ask questions. My father said only one thing. "Welcome home." That day I learned something important. Running away is easy. Facing life is brave.